The wait is over. GPT-4 is now out. Okay. And with everybody still talking about ChatGPT and, companies integrating it with everything part of their business and their brand, now we have a new model. Thing is, GPT-3 and GPT-4, there is a difference. All right. GPT-3 is just text only, where GPT-4 is actually multi-module, meaning we got text, we got images, they're saying videos, and who else? Maybe there'll be audio down the line, right? But what everybody is talking about is what happened at the demo. Now, the co-founder of OpenAI actually drew out a website on a piece of paper, took a picture, uploaded to GPT-4, and asked it, hey, give me some code so I can have a functional website. And in a matter of seconds, produce code that actually worked, and it actually created a joke website based off of a drawing, which is crazy. So it's not even about now, can you write the best prompts? Can you describe it in the best way? Now it's a matter of screenshots and drawings, right? Which is super amazing. And of course, there's other benefits like I think 25,000 word limit. Now, there is a waiting list for GPT-4 API, and ChatGPT Plus do have limited access at this moment. So if you have the paid version of ChatGPT, you do have like a limited version of GPT-4, but I'm going to assume that you guys are going to get it sooner than the free boys, okay? But this is amazing, and how quickly AI and OpenAI is moving with, okay, we see the momentum. Let's come out with the next model and then the next model. So now that they're integrating images and that the actual model can read the image and come out with code, come out with text, come out with whatever we may need, this is going to be taking things to a whole new level. So how do you feel about GPT-4? Is this above your head? Are you interested? I know I'm a little geeked out. This is where I'm actually probably going to pay for ChatGPT Plus. I said in the past episodes, as long as it's free, I'm not, but I have a patience problem. So now I see the purpose of it. So I'm probably going to invest that $20 a month. But let us know what you think, Moose. What's the thoughts?
The picture functionality, like that blew my mind. I'm not gonna lie. I watched a video on it just to kind of get up to speed on how it works. And when I saw that it can take a picture and process what's in the photo and to have the capacity to write up to 25,000, I mean, it was just absolutely bananas. But quick lesson here. If you remember some episodes ago, we talked about some advice that I got from a really wealthy guy that I sat with who's in the tech space. And like really pay attention to what ChatGPT did, right? They rolled out Model 3 or ChatGPT 3. And in just 90 days or so, after it skyrockets, they were able to bring out ChatGPT 4. Now, do you really think they started working on ChatGPT 4 after 3 started getting all this momentum? That thing has been in the works. And so that strategy of build quietly, build fast, and when you roll something out, you want to be so far ahead of the competition that no one can catch up. I feel that's exactly what they did and executed to a T, because they get all of that hype around ChatGPT 3, get the most amount of users on any network or a platform in history pretty much. And then they roll out with this monster of a technology shortly after. I think they immediately almost stamped themselves as a brand. You can't think about AI and not think about ChatGPT literally in the same exact sentence. It's going to be synonymous for, hey, Google that. Hey, grab an Uber. So I think it's this is just the beginning. Heck, I can't wait for them to go public if it continues like this. That's going to be nice little investment right there. So
But
no, really cool.
what's so crazy is that there's a lot of things that happen in AI in the past week or so, with now Google integrating AI with all their Google suite. So like
Mhm.
uh, docs and email and everything, now they're talking about having AI. Microsoft just dropped Copilot, which is their version of integrating, and we spoke about it last episode, where Microsoft is going to integrate AI into email, charts, and that whole nine. But that got all wiped away and like hardly talked about the second that GPT-4 got announced. So
Mhm.
that was interesting.
Very crazy. Yeah, I think they have huge potential and pretty much favor in the market right now as it relates to AI. Everyone is shifting their attention there. It just makes things so much easier. So I'm really excited for where it goes. So I'm gonna have to follow suit on what you're saying. To be honest with you, to just chuck a little 20 a month and see what ChatGPT 4 is doing. So there, that's gonna be nice.
Let's go.
Yes, yes, yes.